Coin plus card plus QR ATM. User card recharge using QR code. This is Initiative's Coin plus Card plus QR ATM, and we will see how to recharge user card using QR code. Long press the recharge key button. Display will get refreshed and it will show QR code again. You can see QR recharge on the top of QR code. You can scan and recharge the user card within 5 minutes. Take your mobile and open any UPI payment app. Scan the QR code on ATM's display. In UPI app, enter the amount that you want to recharge in user card. Make the payment for recharging the user card. 100 rupees amount is transferred. Within 2 minutes, place the user card on ATM. The amount is added in user card. Recharge is successful. Previous balance was 50 rupees and after new recharge, the present balance is 150 rupees. So, the user card got recharged online. Thank you.